Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a collab video with a great planner friend, Alyssa from Silver Lantern Planning. We're both going to be collabing on Simply Beautiful Plan kits. I am using the 5-year anniversary kit that was released in Amy's 5-year anniversary bundle about a month back. As you can see, it is her favorite things, which showcases planning, planner cards, beautiful colors with the pinks, greens, all pastels, neutrals, and as well a couple of icons that showcase her love for planning, of course, as a shop owner, and this foil, which is completely stunning. So I'm going to lay down the base and we will get back to the day-to-day. So I'm going to play a little bit of music for you guys.
When I fell in love with you, but soon it was over. Yeah, I see how my feelings for you. Yeah, we were young, you know that we had fun, but soon it was over. You were my only one. Yeah, you were my only one. Yeah, we had fun, but soon it was over. You were my only one. Yeah, you were my only one. It was like it's party when I fell in love with you, but soon it was over. Yeah, I see how my feelings for you. Yeah, we were young, you know that we had fun, but soon it was over. You were my only one. Yeah, you were my only one. Yeah, we had fun, but soon it was over. You were my only one. Yeah, you were my only one. You were my only one. But soon it was over. You were my only one. Yeah, you were my only one.
So let's get into the plans. I let the music play for a little bit there. But this kit is absolutely stunning. It is Amy's bundle for her 5-year anniversary, and the hollow foil is just fire popping off on the screen, and I absolutely love it. I started laying down Monday and recording work. I used a laptop girl, my favorite laptop girl, from PandaBird Designs, and I went a little bit out of screen there, so I do apologize. The grocery script is from Murdock Talks, and I also laid down a little heart to mark that I picked up groceries from Real Canadian Superstore, which is a store that I normally get my groceries from near me. So that is from Planner Monkey Co. And to mark that I watch on Netflix is from Amy's Shop, the Netflix sticker. On Tuesday I had work, and the scripts and the icon is from Amy's Shop, and so is the flat lay that came with the kit. Marking my appointment that I went to the dentist, that is another script from Murdock Talks. And the lovely winter girl is from Poor Little Pepper, her BIPOC line of her winter stickers. And I'm also laying a little squiggle down there as well from Lilac Co. And I also laid down a beautiful little bow before I write down my plans in there, and that is from Pretty Pink Co. On Wednesday in this frame, I am grabbing another laptop girl, since I love it so much, to work another work at home day. And that day was pretty easy. I know that I did a little bit of meal planning, which you will see that I'm going to mark down soon. I had some time in the day throughout working from home that I did a massive meal plan by prepping and freezing by hand about 40 meatballs, and I wanted to make sure that I had those ready to go for the week. So that was one activity that I did that day. And here I am laying down a sticker from Coffee Brain Plans, and it is her Lila line of Lila washing a lot of dishes, which is what happened after I prepped those meatballs. And food prepping is hard, guys. Like, it's not something that you just wake up and you know how to do. It's an art form. Like, I needed to go through Instagram accounts and look at food accounts, and then create my own food account and look at people doing Weight Watchers, go on Weight Watchers, get coaching. But throughout that entire food prep mini story journey, it is the best thing ever. And once you know how to food prep, you'll never think, well, what am I having for dinner? Or, oh, the fridge is empty. It is a lifesaver. But back to the spread. So I put down a sticker to mark time with my bestie, because I did chat with one of my best friends that evening. I also used a cute little reflection cozy sticker from Planning Like a Pro, and I placed a flourish right underneath there from my PR freebie from Lilac Luna Plants. So on Thursday, I started off with a laptop sticker by Planning Like a Pro to mark an ops meeting that I had at work. The must-do script is from the kit to mark a appointment that I had at 4:30. I then placed down a sticker to mark a little bit of self-care in the evening, and that self-care script is by Lilac Luna Plans. I had a yoga sesh, which was from my relaxing series, and the beautiful yoga sticker is from Pretty Pink Co, and the yoga script is from Letters to Apollo. On Friday, I started off, of course, with a huge cup of Starbucks. The coffee script is from Graceful Muse Paperie, and the Starbucks cup itself is from the kit, and the hearts are from Planner Monkey Co. to mark that I did another slow cooker session to do more food prep, and I made shredded chicken, and I had an appointment with my mortgage company. That is then wrapped up with a nice little flourish again by Lilac Luna Plans. And after that, in the evening, I had a cute date night with my lovely planner friends, Brittany and Jen. So we had that over IG chat. And after our chat and planner sesh, I had a little YouTube binge. And to mark the YouTube binge, that is a script by Lilac Luna Plans. And also to mark the cute date night, I used a little cat with hearts in her eyes, which is so cute, and that's by Paper Bits Co. On Saturday, I slept in, and it was pretty much a lazy at-home day. And to mark that I slept in, Lila in her pink bed, that is by Coffee Brain Plans. The script Lazy Day is by Murdock Talks. And to mark that I also had a little bit of a planner sesh. And what I actually mean by planner sesh, it wasn't really a planner sesh, it was in my journal. So even though it is a planner, it's my personal journal that I don't really share on IG. It's just all of my thoughts, wellness, things like that. So I was just jotting that down all night long and had just a little time for myself that evening. And I ended up watching Lupin on Netflix. And on Sunday, I went to Starbucks every Sunday morning, or most Sunday mornings actually. Every weekend, I go to Starbucks and meet up with a Starbucks friend, and we have coffee in our cars, safely distanced, of course. And that coffee icon is by Lilac Luna Plans. The Starbucks script is by Murdock Talks. After my Starbucks meetup and breakfast, I went for errands, and the cute errand script came with the kit. The little bow is also from Amy's shop. Went to Shoppers Drug Mart and had a massive car wash for my Jeep, which it definitely needed. And I marked that with a sticker that was from my freebie from Coffee Brain Plans. By the time this video loads and goes up, I no longer PR for her shop, but I will still link all the details down below where you can get stickers for her shop, as well as all the others that I PR for, and every single sticker that I used in my spread. Other than that, that was my week, and now I'm just writing in the details of everything that I did. And I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video, and I loved doing this collab with Alyssa. It was fantastic. I love PRing for Amy's shop, and this bundle was absolutely perfect. The hollow is beautiful, and I really appreciate you stopping by, and thank you so much for watching. And I realize I'm saying "and" forever and ever to end this video, so I'm just gonna end it right here. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.